So here are the few more examples for nomenclature. Could you name the compound? This is a complex substituent example. How many carbon atoms are there in a straight line? 9 carbon atoms are there in a straight line. There is attachment. The attachment is there in fifth carbon. The fifth carbon, which is attachment, will get the number as 1. If you see this, 3 carbon atoms are there in a straight line in the substituent complex, and in the first carbon one methyl group is there, another one ethyl group is there. So how will you name it? 5, 1 ethyl, 1 methyl propyl nonane. 1 methyl, 1 ethyl propyl nonane. So 1 means that is a complex attachment. In that ethyl group is there, 1 methyl group is there. The complex main chain is propane. So that is a propyl group. And the main root is nonane. So this is a structure for 5, 1 ethyl, 1 methyl propyl nonane. So whenever we are giving the substituent will have the IUPAC name and also common name. IUPAC name is, we'll say as a pentane. Pentane means C5H12. If you remove one carbon, one hydrogen, we will name it as a pentyl. So any alkane group, if you remove one hydrogen, that will be named as a alkyl. So in methane, if you remove one hydrogen, methyl. In propane, if you remove one hydrogen, propyl. In pentane, if you remove one hydrogen, pentyl. So this is a pentyl. If pentyl is in a straight line, we will say it is a normal pentyl. So N-pentyl. So substituent is in 5 carbon atoms are there in a straight line, we say is a N-pentyl. Common, that is a common name. IUPAC is pentyl. In the pentyl, in second carbon, methyl group is there means we will say it's a 2-methyl-butyl. Common name is isopentyl. In a second carbon, 2-methyl group is attached. Means we'll say that is a 2,2-dimethyl-pentyl or neopentyl This is the way we can have the name for hexane also and butane also. Look at this compound. It's a cycloalkane. 6 carbon atom. In that attachment, 1 methyl group is there. Another one example, 4 carbon atom. 4 carbon atom are present in a cyclic means we say that is cyclobutane. In cyclobutane attachment, 3 carbon atoms are there in a attachment group. So we have to give the number from the attachment. So in first carbon, 3 carbon atoms are present. So 3 carbon atoms means we'll name it as a propyl. 1 propyl cyclohexane. Butane. 1 propyl cyclobutane. What is the common name? 1 cyclobutyl propane. 1 cyclobutyl propane. So what we have to give the name? We have to give the name for cyclic compound as a main one. So 4 carbon atom as a cyclic one. So cyclobutane or cyclobutyl. Attachment is the propane one. So here what is the rule? Ring or chain is there means we have to give the preference for ring. And functional group will get the priority and double or triple bond. Next, more number of carbon atoms. Here are few examples. Few exercises given. You write the name for all those given structure. 8 examples are there. You write the name for 8 compounds. How will you name it? Let us see first example. In first one, propane is there in a triangle shape. In the propane, carbon is present. In the carbon, one methyl group is there, and ethyl group, as in the ethyl group one methyl group is present. So how will you name it? You can name. In second also, two attachment is there. In two attachment, one side two methyl group is there, another one side one ethyl group is there. Look at the last example, eighth one, hexane. In the hexane, chlorine, iodine, bromine is there. You have to see this attachment group and also alphabetical order for giving the name of the compound. For alkene and alkane, first we have to select the longest carbon chain having maximum number of double bond or triple bond. Numbering in such a way that double bond or triple bond gets lowest locus number. If it has any substituent like chlorine, bromine, fluorine, we have to give less priority than double bond or triple bond. Double bond and triple bond should get the first priority. Then only we have to give the priority for attachment. Look at this compound. You have to write name for this compound. Here another one more example is there. 5 carbon atoms are there in a straight line. In the 5 carbon atom, double bond is there and 2 methyl group is there. We have to name this as a name of the compound. Next another one example. 5, suppose if it contain double bond and triple bond. If it contain double bond and triple bond, how will you name it? You look at these 5 carbon atoms are there in a straight line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this double bond is there, triple bond is there. When double bond and triple bond is there, we have to give the number, and if you add the number, you will get the lowest number. In such a way, you have to give the number for the compound. So here, double bond is there in the first carbon atom and triple bond is there in the fourth carbon atom. So when you are giving the name pent to pentane is there, in that first carbon what is present? In first carbon double bond is present. In fourth carbon triple bond is present. So pent 1 in 4 ine. Pent 1 in 4 ine. In E means double bond. In that we have to remove E. So only we have to write En. So pent 1 En dash 4 ine. So pent 1 in 4 ine. Either if it is double bond and triple bond is there, means both will get equal priority. In a special case, if they have same number of attachment in either side, we have to give the priority for double bond. Then you have to give the priority for triple bond. Another one more example is there. 7 carbon atoms are there in a straight line. In the 7 carbon atom, attachment is present in a first carbon atom and in fifth carbon atom. If you count from here, it is attached in second carbon atom and the triple bond is present in sixth carbon atom. So how will you name it? Hep 2 in 6 ine. If you name it as a hept 5 in 1 ine, count the number. So hept 2 in 6 ine will not come. We have to give the name hept 5 in and 1 ine. So this is the way we have to give the name for compound which have double bond and triple bond. In your textbook also example is there. Look at this example. Here another one example is there. Name this example. Name the compound. Here it got double bond is present. How many carbon atoms are there in a straight line? You can check. Where is attachment present? For that, what name could be given? If the attachment is there means, commonly if it is alkane group, we will write as propyl ethyl methyl. If it is a double bond, we have to write ethanyl, ETHENYL. We have to name in such a way. So practice this all the one. Write the desired example in your classwork. Learn all the rules. Practice the compound. Write and do the practice.